Hello, so Aldo fam, welcome back to my channel. On today's tutorial, I am going to show you how to make a circle skirt for an American doll or any 18 inches tall doll. So if you want to see how, keep on watching. The first thing is I will measure the waistline of the doll and we will divide it into 3.14. And from the waistline down is the length of the skirt. You can make it as long or as short as you want. And don't forget to add the seam allowance. I added 1/2 inch. So starting from the corner, I am going to measure in the waistline. And I folded this fabric in half, so I will have one piece of fabric. So where my hand is right now, that is the fold. And then on the open edge there is going to be the seam. And starting from this point is going to be the length of the skirt. So I'm just going to trace it from here all the way to the fold. By the way, if you are going to make one for yourself, the formula is pretty much the same. So you can use this as your guideline if you want to recreate a circle skirt. And then I'll go ahead and cut it out. On the waistline, I will add 1/4 inch seam allowance just because I will add a waistband. Now I am going to make a waistband. It is 2 inches wide and then it is 11 inches and I added 1/4 inch seam allowance. As you can see here, I marked the center fold of the waistband, so it will be a lot easier when I match it on the center fold of the skirt. And by the way, the marker that I'm using is actually washable. And now I am going to pin the waistband on the skirt. I'm pinning it on the right side of the skirt. And then I'll go ahead and zigzag stitch it. You can also use a stretch stitch. After that, I am going to sew the back seam. Right side of the fabrics are facing each other. Leave the hemline raw or you can finish it. It's totally up to you. This type of fabric doesn't fray. Thanks so much for watching and I hope you like this tutorial. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I post every week. Hit the notification so you will get notified whenever I post a brand new video. That's it and I will see you soon. Bye!